What's happening, y'all? Back to the channel, you know what I'm saying? So, you already know I had to look red today to match my dog over here. Big motherfucking Cliff, man. See this bitch, man. Quit playing with him, bro. I need to go wash him, bro, because, man, we already got the rim dirty, bro. We been skating in that rack, man. I can't have my son dirty, man. I gotta keep him clean. But we about to everybody been like wondering on the video, like, man, who y'all think looks better? I mean, I don't discourage none to say anybody looks better because I love both of my trucks. So, but we are about to see which one leans the hardest. So, I'm about to take Cliff out, about to bag Ghost up, both bag Ghost out, and then we're gonna see which one leans the hardest, y'all. So, who y'all think has more height? Cliff or Ghost? Who you think?
The white truck.
The white truck?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think Cliff got it a little bit, but we gonna see. We gonna see. Let me. I'm gonna bring Cliff up out a little bit, man. It's crazy, bruh. They are literally about the same height, bruh. The same, bruh. What are you doing, bruh? What are you doing? She too geek. It's her birthday. We trying to make a video show y'all what's look at you about to fall, bruh. They are the same height, bruh. The same height. This crazy. This is crazy. But y'all wanna know something? I bet y'all $100. Everybody $100 each. That if Cliff was on 26x16, same as Ghost, Cliff would be leaning harder. You wanna know why? Because with 28s and 38s, they lift that back up a little bit. Yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, gap wide, look, let's get the tape measure, see what it is. Cliff is about, from off the tire, I say about right at 3 inches. 3 inches on the tire. About 15 inches in a quarter. From Ghost, he is, oh Lord, Ghost is right at 16 inches. He's right at 16 inches in the front. That's how, don't talk about me, that's my bad side on Ghost. I still say I'm gonna get him fixed. Ghost is right at 3.5 inches. That's crazy. 3.5 inches. Yeah. I still say that if Ghost was on 28s, he'll be smaller, or they'll be at least the same height. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how it look like riding wise, like height wise, like driving, and then we're gonna, you know, so we're gonna go from there. But man, it's crazy, bro. Crazy how both of these trucks the same height, bro. Like, yeah, man, it's crazy. This is crazy for real. 26x16s versus 28x16s on 38s. Man, what y'all think, bro? This is like, yeah, bro, like, too excited. Like these trucks really the same height. And like, think about it, with my 12-inch lift, so everybody's wondering, I got a 12-inch FTS lift. So it's a 12-inch FTS. 28x16 on 38x16.5 inch Fury tires. No keys turned up, no body lift. I do plan on adding the body lift in the future, but as of right now, I'm loving like how it sit. I feel like if I had a body lift, it won't fit in the garage anymore because I gotta go bring Ghost in my storage because Ghost is getting kicked out over Clifford. But Ghost, you know we still got love for you on the channel, so don't think, you know what I'm saying, we pushing you to the side. We still gonna be skating, Ghost, man. Don't think, hey, Ghost still stepping. He the OG. He's still stepping out here, you hear me? We gotta bring Cliff up, man. We gotta get him right. So yeah, man, we got a lot of stuff planned for Clifford. Oh, also y'all, we got the FTS reservoir shocks. Like I said, it's a little dirty right now. I've been skating in that bit. We've been having too much fun lately. I still got a lot of stuff I got to work on. There's a lot of stuff we got planned for. So man, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, watch the channel, bro. But let's get the height difference of this truck, bro. Like when we riding it, I'm finna show y'all like people be thinking we can't see, but bro, you can really see good out this truck, bro. For real, like we really skate with the Ghost. Ghost is on a 7.5 inch lift, a 3-inch body lift, a 3-inch level stack, no blocks, 2-inch shackles. Like yeah, like we stepping with Ghost. So anybody with a 2-wheel drive truck, bro, and y'all wondering like y'all ain't gotta go out and get no big expensive little man, bro. You stack and do that shit the right way. Make sure all your front end good, bro. Man, you could be leaning, bro, and be sitting the same as a 12-inch FTS little, bro. Like that ass. Like to be honest, we could put 28x16s on Ghost. Only thing though, I feel like it'll raise the back up for sure. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what y'all think. Y'all think next video I should put the 8s on Ghost and see what it look like? I don't know, man. It might. Ooh. Should we do a rim swap? I don't know. Ooh wee. But yeah, man, let's go get this video, man. Y'all stay tuned, bro.
I can see these niggas hating down on me in the zone I'm in. They praying that I fall, but shit is God who kept me in it. Why the fuck you wanna be around me, nigga? You wasn't hungry with me. You ain't with me hitting them licks, nigga. That karma caught up with you. You don't respect me, I really can't respect you either. Even trying to put you on the money, that ain't work for you either. You feel like fuck me in the school, I got no love for you either. If you was my brother, I ain't never do that shit to my.
Let's get this video to 1,000 likes, bro. 1,000 likes. I'll put the 28s on Ghost, shoot a roller, and we're gonna drive around that rack with him. 1,000 likes though, it gotta be 1,000 likes, bro. What you think, 1,000 likes?
Yeah.
What's 1,000?
I don't know.
I say 1,000 likes. If they do 1,000 likes, bro, we're gonna take the 28s off. We're gonna put the 28s on Ghost, and we'll put the 26x16s on Cliff. That would be crazy. And we're gonna see what it looks like. What y'all, like I said, 1,000 likes, we can do it, bro. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, bro. We're gonna do it. Let's go hop in Cliff real quick. Hey, y'all, so look at my view, bro. Look at my view. What y'all think? It ain't that bad. I don't think it's that bad. You know we got the windows down today, bro. Nice cool breeze. You know we in that old school, baby. On the tire, as always. Skating, breaking necks on the good old Sunday morning, man. Man, make sure y'all take y'all whips out, man. Wash them up. Wash them up on the Sunday, man. Hope y'all meet you on Sundays, bro. Cause Sunday is fun day, for real. Come on, man, go. Fuck. Yeah, bitch. They don't like that squad shit, but shit, man, we skating out here, man. I love it. Yeah, man, y'all already know how it goes with skating, man. Y'all already see the height difference, man. We be skating, bro. I really need to get my windshield. I need to get the windshield with both of the trucks, man. Oh, look at that. I said, god damn. I got cracks in both windshields, bro. Gonna be it for today's video right here. Make sure this week y'all know, bro, this Saturday I'm pulling up Delta Showdown. We skating out there, bro. We're bringing Big Cliff out. We slide him all the way to Delta. So make sure y'all come out there and y'all be skating with us, bro. Y'all stay tuned, bro. We live.